everyone, and welcome back to the Cook to Flourish Kitchen. This is Robin Cook in partnership with Where the Red Fern Grows Farms. And today we are featuring a maple pecan sweet potato roasted dish that I hope you and your family absolutely love. So as we are approaching the Thanksgiving and the Christmas season, what better dish to remake and make it healthier than a sweet potato dish? Because as you know, growing up we have the sweet potatoes with all the marshmallows and the brown sugar, but sweet potatoes are very healthy. They have amazing antioxidants. They have some good fiber. So let's use some healthier sweeteners, some cinnamon to pull out that natural sweetness, and bake them in the oven for a wonderful rendition of this wonderful dish. So this is going to take an oven preheated to 350 degrees. Then you're going to need to chop your sweet potato. You're going to need 3 cups of this sweet potato. So I cut mine into little cubes, and then you're going to put those cubes into a glass baking dish, and you are going to need to toss them with half of a tablespoon of organic coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So put those in the pan and a dash of sea salt. Put it in the oven for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, pull them back out, and now we're going to jazz them up. So we're going to do another half of a tablespoon of the coconut oil. We're going to do another teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of organic fresh squeezed orange juice. And then we're also going to do our star of the show here, 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic maple syrup, okay? So mix that together, toss that with your sweet potatoes, and if you like pecans, you can do 1/4 of a cup of chopped or just breaking up the pecans. Toss that all together, put it back in the oven for another 10 to 20 minutes. So all together, this dish is going to take you 30 to 40 minutes to bake. Now, when you bring the sweet potatoes out after the 20 minutes, check them to see how tender they are, to kind of get an idea if they need 10 more minutes or if they need 20 more minutes. So keep an eye on them, make sure they don't burn, but we want them to be nice and tender. So then bring them out of the oven, and then you can take some of that orange rind, that organic orange rind, and grate that and put a little bit of that organic orange zest onto your sweet potatoes. And then after it's all said and done, they look like this, all nice and soft and caramelized with the maple syrup and the pecans and the coconut oil and the cinnamon. Is going to be delicious. So thank you all so much for joining us here in the Cook to Flourish Kitchen. God bless you, and we will see you soon.